Guys, so we are here. So guys, for those who had not seen the house, this is it. This is one of the beds.
Nakwambia Pinterest. Taraji stop.
Mama, we are taking a video.
Acha kujivi ikiwa msimamo. Kisimamishi. Inakaa hii side. Inakaa hii side.
Kumake nini?
I'm sad
Why?
because they're not giving me the phone. I have to play video games.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Everything, guys, this is how we are walking around. Everything is everywhere. Look guys, it's so messy. It's a good morning and we have chicken. This is for eating. We are going to eat this. Look. It's so messy here. So yeah guys, as you can see, everything is everywhere. We are trying to arrange. Guys, I hope you are doing well. It's a good morning. We are trying today, we are settling in. Yeah, you didn't see that part yesterday. We came here late at night, so we are trying to arrange everything today. By today I think we'll be finishing up and I'm going to take you along guys, so settle in with us and enjoy this video. Yeah guys. Now let's arrange this area. You see, we are already finished the sitting room. Actually, this is the easy part. Yeah, we just need to arrange, then I will show you afterwards. Oh, we haven't finished yet, but this is how the house looks like. Nimingi. Guys, look at this, amazing. So this TV stand is new. It's so authentic, simple and elegant. Don't mind the curtain here. Okay, don't mind. We haven't even seen the other cushions which are supposed to be here. They are with the clothes, I'm sure. And then this is how it looks like. We don't want to open. We haven't put the shears. That's why the curtains are on. Look, so beautiful, guys. So. Look, we need to put the bulb, one bulb here. There's no bulb, so we need to fix and wahala and wipe the tables, I think, everything. So yeah, so let's go on this other side.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out.
Here is the kitchen. It's clean actually, but so there's this drawer here. We need to wash the utensils as we cook lunch because it's almost lunchtime. There are some utensils here. Okay, this is unga. So many things we have to arrange, guys. There's so many things here. And the maker. Yeah. So let's go to the bedrooms. But the kitchen is clean, as you can see. We are in the first bedroom and this is how it looks like. We're just arranging and yeah. So guys, it's time for lunch. We are preparing lunch. We have been working the whole time. It's almost 1 p.m. and we need to eat something. So we are cooking something simple. Ugali, greens and eggs. And this is our first meal actually in this house. So let's do this. I hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Guys, this is what we are going to have for dinner. It's called a jogo. And for me, I'm washing the utensils. Guys, the work is not even halfway. And then we just came from shopping. We bought a few things. Yes, we just came from shopping. I actually forgot to record when we were shopping, guys. So that's what has been happening because we left where we were cleaning. And for me here, I'm cleaning so many things. I want to clean these utensils as we cook. Yeah. So let's get to it. Hi guys, so it's early in the morning. We just took breakfast. I was taking this Doma sweet. They're sweet potatoes or something. No, not sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are gouache. Yeah, so yeah guys, we just took breakfast and I just want to show a few things. Then we end this video. Say hi.
Hi. Havana is crying.
Havana is crying.
Yeah.
Go ask her why she's crying.
Bunny.
Guys, I'm so lazy and we are so tired at the same time. So yeah guys, that's what's up.
My mommy's channel and mine.
Yeah. Since when it's okay, it's mine and mommy. It's you and me. Sawa, mama. So do you want to say something?
Yeah.
Say something.
So we are taking Doma. It's still early in the morning. But Doma is so sweet and yummy.
Yeah. And someone is crying. Your
Havana.
cousin is crying.
Havana.
Go ask her why she is crying. Do you want to say something else? Do you want to say something else? Then see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Guys, this is the situation in the kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks like. We just ate domas. I don't know where to put them. We need to clear a few things up. Then we are done. And this, guys, is the bedroom. This is the situation. And someone is pretending they are. I thought she was sleeping and she's here watching. Oh my gosh. We have arranged most of the things. Look. It looks so. There is a cookie lion here. Look at this goat, the fur. Yeah, that's how the situation looks like right now. We are going to finish up right away. Yeah, it's not a lot of things remaining.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,
These goodies, they came from the village. This is unga, I love it. And sweet potatoes. You've seen the domas. I'm trying to arrange everything in order so that this house will look in order, guys. So let's get to it.
I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with.
We are done with the bedroom, and this is how it looks like. Okay, we are not done yet because we need shears and all. There's a shoe rack there. Look at that gold there. We are done.
Atuitumii tuitoanishe Ben hizo manguo.
This is dirty laundry, guys. We are going to look for someone to wash the clothes, to clean these clothes. There's a lot. And we have who is here. Guys, I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Until my next video, bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want